Sorry, I got my mic muted. Thank you, Manu or Manu. All right, yeah, it is going well. Yeah, okay, cool. All right. How are you doing, by the way? Oh, awesome. He's not really the Godot engine from, right? Argentina. Yeah, Buenos Aires. Yeah, that's awesome. Cool. Oh wait, you know? Oh, I forgot Juan. I I know like some of the community, and I've heard his name every so often. But yeah, he's one of the creators, isn't he? That's cool. Um, I have a friend that's been to Argentina, but I've never been. I've I've never even been to South America. So, but cool. Thanks for joining. Do you work on the Godot engine, like on games or uh, do any? Oh my gosh, my brain's blanking on what do you call it? I'm on the 2D. Um, Open source stuff for it. All right, what do we have? Now I want to make the barrier thing. Let's go here. I want a 3D node. I'm not sure what's best. It's probably just going to be a, what's it called, shape. I forget what they call it. I don't do 3D very often. Oh, cool. Um, I'm a software developer by day, I guess is the term. I'm looking for is it, is it FSX? Nope, FX 3D. I'll just see if I can find it that way. Oh, there we go. This is what I'm looking for. Just a box. Okay, and then go to the inspector. Um, so my X is Y is fine. So I think it's Z. Yeah. Then you can hear my kids in the background. All right, let's see that. Cool. All right, and then actually, I think if we just move its position, where is transform? And I think we need to move it up 5. There we go. Let's rename this. Call it. Well, that's still cool though, and yeah, I bet it'd be a little bit smaller. Um, just you have a lot of developers in America, and I don't know how big it is in um, Argentina. There could be a lot, but I don't know the I don't even know the population of Argentina, to be honest. Um, I want to call it a barrier. I'm making those fake ads. I'm not sure if you ever see. Um, oh, okay, that's a decent size. Fake. Sorry, that's like my kids are in the back. So yeah, I'm not sure if you've ever seen like these fake ads before, or this one. But yeah, that's what I'm making. Just I think I'm just streaming it for now, and then I'll make it into a tutorial. Um, I just think it's fun and something different. Um, should be able to oh, I need to give it a material standard albedo. Go to blue. Give it some transparency. Right, this makes it should make it see through. No, no. That's not how it works. Am I able to see through it? I'm just blind. Oh no, undo that. Okay, I'm set. Hmm. Do I need to allow? Oh, transparency. That's the issue. Okay. So this alpha doesn't really matter. Transparency. Oh, maybe I do need to allow it, and then I go in here. Okay, perfect. Cool. Alright. Yeah. Yeah, and the sad thing is the game doesn't even really look like that. So, and then there's ads saying that that's what the game actually is, but I don't believe them. So, uh, here we are, you know. Make this 0.1 and this 0.1. Oh wait, how does that happen? Oh, that's really see-through. Okay, so that's okay. I was wondering about that. I was like, I went all the way to 0, but I could still see it. But that makes more sense. Okay, so now if I move this, copy, paste. Oh, it's a child. I don't want it to be a child. I want it to be its own. Okay, so now they're showing in the right spots. Okay, cool. One last thing is, how do you put labels, or is there like maybe a label? Let's see. I don't know if a label will work. Yeah, because it's 2D. Okay. I don't know what you do in 3D. Label 3D. There you go. What do you know? Alright, so then text, and we'll just do 100 to see how it looks. Cool. Font size will be 64. Oh, even bigger. I was actually just like try 128. Okay, too big. So 96. Then we can. Oh, not gonna do that. Put that above it. Okay. Interesting. Now, I don't know. How do we add enums into just like this, and then, but we won't do enums. We'll just do var addition, because they do multiplication, or is that even how you spell addition? You're probably like know how to spell it, and I know. No, that's how you spell addition. Okay. And English probably isn't your first language. um, oh, go. Alright, so then on the onReady, we want to randomly give called random int and then negative, let's say 10 to 10. Save that. Actually, what we could do is var random range. We can have its default to 10, and then as the game gets more difficult, we can make these bigger or smaller. Okay, cool. And just for fun, I can mess with it in the editor. I can click export var Alright, so there's that, and then after that, we want to do an onReady for this. And the label 3D dot text is equal to current, and then is it string or is it maybe it's yes, okay, so this is gonna be front in here. Okay. So let's run this current scene. I don't know if I'll be able to get a view. Yeah, so I was wondering. Okay. I guess we'll just put it in the world just so we can see it. Let's go 2D, or not 2D, 3D. And I need to go put all my stuff in folders, but I'm too lazy for that. Don't tell Juan. Yeah. He might be upset. Oh no. Oh no. I want you. Thank you. It's so tiny. I thought it was gonna be bigger, but I didn't really think about the size. But the good thing is, I think I can stretch it. Can I transform and then scale it? Scale low. Say by 3 and actually. Oh wait. Okay. So let's do by 2. Oh no. Link that again. Link it again. By 2. Oh, it's gonna stay. All right. Undo that. By 2. Okay, and then unlink. Let's make this like 5, maybe? Oh no, that's the wrong way. So this will say 2, and this one will go 5. That's too big. Let's go 4. I think we're probably gonna fit. Maybe they do half of the thing, so let's do 5. I think I have. Oh no, I think I could probably fit. We're thinking, okay? Whether we're thinking effectively or not, that's a big question. Yeah, I think it needs to be. My mouse keeps double clicking and it's bugging me. If I put a grid snap on, that's probably better. I guess I just wanted to see if it even like looks what I want to accomplish. Somewhat. Do I move it more? Oh, my angle is like really weird on that. Oh, that's funny. Joel. Okay, is my angle still off? Oh, we're hovering in the air. Okay. Cool, and it's giving the random numbers. Alright, so now we can do the next part. We can add a area and then add a collision shape, and then how did you find me, by the way? I'm always curious because I don't know what's working best that well all the time. I've seen people look at my my 2D stuff, my RTS things, which I need to do a lot more work on. I am working on it, but I am also it's a lot of work, and I'm a little bit lazy. I'm a lazy boy. Say that. All right. Cool. That's awesome. I'm glad YouTube's suggesting. Cool. I need to follow more people and see what they're doing, just so I can. I don't want to copy them, but I just want to see what they're, what's working for them, and also just see if there's anywhere I can improve myself. So I follow a couple people, but not as many. There's a lot of people starting Godot channels in the last year or two. Enter if area dot is a group projectile, and we want to current addition plus equals. I love the people lately. Yeah, Unity is like really sad. I did some Unity, not a ton, and it's just sad that what it's become, I guess, is the right way to put it. All right, we want to also add this to the group of obstacle. Oh my goodness. All right, so if we throw, oh no. Am I not set that right? If area is projectile. Oh no, it's just not doing this. Probably there should be like a more reactive way to do that, but this just listens. But listen, there you go. That's what I want. Okay. And lastly, we want to do global position dot z plus. Well, I forget why. I need to make this like a helper. So this is the opposite. So we just can go back to it. Yeah, getting on tutorial hell is like the hardest part. Is like I feel like tutorials are like the necessary evil of like, okay, I don't know how to do something, so like help me figure out how to do something. But then you get stuck and you're like, oh, this is all I know how to do. And it's not the end of the world, it's just it just sucks. So the biggest way to get out of tutorial hell is just do a tutorial and then think about something that they're doing in it. Sorry, my kids are in the background and they're just a little loud. Um, and just do a little bit different to what they're doing. Uh, so if they like don't have a double jump or something, let me do this. Oh, shoot! I need to push that further back because I was moving faster than I'm ready for the game to start. Um, cool. Let's see. One last thing I want is to and add also to the player an area. Mix that in there, and then this will just be go in here. Yeah. I want to add the signal area entered.
Share.
Oh no. Well, I called it obstacle. That's fine. We just have to make a new one called barrel. It just instantly kills you. It's fine. I just hate making tons and tons of groups, but it is what they recommend. Is in group. Adeline. Hey. Want to see the game I'm making? Okay. So one sec, I'm almost done with this part, but I is in group. So cool.
Daddy, I want to play with it. They're all my toys.
They're all your toys
Yes. I want to make them for my secret room.
for your secret room?
Yes.
Okay. Well, Stella needs to be able to play too, okay?
No,
And
Daddy,
mommy, hey, mommy just wants you to be a good big sister, and sometimes you just are a little bit much, okay?
No.
Hey.
Leave me alone.
Okay, okay.
Alone for step.
You can be left.
Leave me alone.
You can be left alone. Oh, kids are so funny. Hey, are you being nice to each other? You want a fruit snack?
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
You want a show?
Oh,
I don't have a show. I can give you one. All right. That's okay. We're gonna leave Adeline alone for a little bit, okay? She just needs a moment.
yeah.
Well, it looks like I might have to go to the temple because you might not have enough room for all the girls.
Tomorrow?
It looks like there's 12 girls and
No, is that tomorrow? Okay.
and that would be like
No, that's fine.
early.
Oh, that's the wrong one.
No, my floor.
Adeline, she gets to have this one.
No.
Addie, you want Anna?
Oh,
I have Anna and Elsa.
All right.
Go.
oh my.
Of course, yeah.
Do you want down? Yeah. Okay. All right. I think we might have gotten them a little. You gotta be nice to each other.
Are you gonna be nice to Stella? Did you hear Daddy?
Okay. So current, what do I call it? I don't know. Current amount. I need to go and add a player group. If I manage it, right? It should be in, yeah, you're in. So you're in there. Clone them out. Is this bad? I don't know. I don't, we'll see, we'll see. Okay, so we should be able to do for clone amount. No. Clone and clone amount. How do I instant? I've never done this before. Uh, clone or oh, okay. Adeline, open the door, please. Leave it open. I don't think Stella wants it closed. Yeah. Is this allowed? It just is. I don't even need an expert. Um, Let me see. Actually, we'll just try it. Get three. Add child, and then you should be able to do like clone. Oh no, I already have clone, huh? Dupe is equal to self dot duplicate. No, not on there. Clone. Is new? Is that thing? Nope, not found on self. What is found on self? Because I can always do this, but I feel like it's like kind of a bad pattern. But clone. Let's do player. Yeah, and I want to clone what's currently on the player, so that's not good. What is on the node 3D? All right, Godot documentation. Gizmos hide. Show. I feel like there's something I'm missing. Let's just look it up, I guess. Okay, Godot. Clone node. Dot duplicate. I did not see it on there. Oh boy, why are we zoomed in? That wasn't appearing. But maybe it's not anticipating what it is. Maybe that's my issue. Duplicate. Oh boy, it was that easy. Okay. All right. Oh no, we're not gonna be able to get it inside. Okay. We need to go to my player. What is my fire rate right now? Literally just gonna go 0.05 and just spam it. Did I crash it? Oh shoot. That's funny. I crashed it. Okay. One thing we need to make sure is and can oh no, not that one. Barrier bar can clone, which that is equal to true. We need to immediately set this to false in our player scene. Okay. And then oh my gosh, okay. We're gonna have to do this since we keep doing it over and over and over and over and over. Oh, did I say that? Okay. So we need to go back to our timer too, because that was way too fast. Wait, 3. That should be enough time. Alright, let's see what we get. Yes. Okay. Things the same. As a parent, invalid index.
Hi, Stella. What's up?
I don't really know exactly what we're talking about. Alright, where is this happening?
Stella. What's up, Stella?
Current edition.
No, we're not gonna watch yours, right?
Oh, what the? Oh, wait. I didn't get rid of any of that. Alright. This should work now. Okay. It just got.
Right. I like Charlotte because it's not.
Thank goodness. Oh, I missed it. Let's try it again. Oh, wow, 10. How is it breaking? How am I doing it wrong? Okay, okay, okay. Alright, let's just see. Alright, so we're getting there. What is dupe, anyways? Oh, wait. Why is it showing that? That should not be the current projector. Oh, why jump velocity's on there? I don't even need jump velocity. That's one thing. Let's get rid of that. So it is a duplication of the player, but okay. Go to the next. If we hit remote, okay. Okay. Next. So they fly away? What's going on? Yeah, they're added. They're there. They're on top of each other. Yeah, they have to be on top of each other how faster. So I get lost. Right? Let's try this again. One. No, this is not gonna work. Let's try it again. I'm not gonna be able to throw fast enough. Alright. Go to no. Didn't break it. That was interesting. But you probably can't loop through negative numbers. So that's an interesting concept. Okay. Alright, they're invisible now. What happened? They're there. I think. Or is that the enemy?
Do you understand? You kick me, and I will protect it.
Yeah, some of them are.
Okay, well then, you kick me, you go to timeout. Lock your bedroom. Do you understand?
Alright. I wonder if they're colliding with each other, which, could be an issue. So what if we go to collision shape? Collision shape. No, that's one. Collision. I think it's like this. Throw. No, not fast enough. Oh, 10. Why do I keep getting the negative numbers? There has to be a chance for me to get the positive numbers. There we go. Okay, they are duplicating. But only one is firing, right? Unless they're on top of each other, it might be it. Okay, so oh gosh, I can't.
Hey! Do not hit me with your purse.
Adeline, do you sit with Daddy?
Do not hit me. I won't have it.
Let's just do plus vector 3, and then 0, comma 0, comma, and then ran float range of -4. Well, alright. Let's see. This is the moment of truth. Not very good spawning. Oh gosh, and it's the wrong directions. Yeah. Oh. Why isn't it throwing any errors though? It should be throwing errors. It is interesting. But duplication does not sound like a very good option. It seems like it's... Oh, and it's probably because it's also a loop. How would we manage it? Sounds awful, is what's happening. Let's make this 0. This is obviously the wrong one right here. So we probably could also do that to the Z actually. And then they could all be on different aspects. Okay, cool. Now we get to. See, but he's not throwing one, but it's not throwing an error on this one, which makes no sense. So let's actually look at that. Are you a player? Hey, this one doesn't show me if it's you. Oh. Okay, so these are not the ones I want. I want... Where is my players? Where's the clone one? I want to see what your values are, and you're not even on my screen. It'll be an easy way to solve this, and I can test. Go here. Node.
Go with your dad. Go with your dad.
Adeline. We're trying to clone the player, but it's not a very efficient way of what I'm doing, so we're trying to see if there's a better way. I'm thinking that's what's gonna have to be done, what you're saying, but my only issue with it is then I have to go and modify every single object with what the player currently has. So if he doesn't have the dagger anymore, um, and it's yeah, only once firing, so that's what's so annoying. Um, so it's not the end of the world, it's just something I have to think about. Um, Kind of crazy though. They really don't. Yeah, that's what I wanted to look is on the remote and I go, where's my world? That's open up. Play. Okay, so this is what I look at. So why? Oh. Hmm. That's a good thing to think about. Okay.
You do not need to be in my closet.
All right. Fire rate.
Go find a toy to play with. Madeline, you could not be in my closet. It is not a toy room. Do I need to take you somewhere? Where do you want to go? Do you need to get out of the house?
Yeah.
Okay, what do you want to do?
I'm not going to Mom and Dad.
It should be fine. Why is the clones not? Is the timer it's like not unique? I don't know. Doesn't make sense, but
Okay, we don't want to be around you either. That's right now.
why?
Slushy.
Hmm. I'm trying to
You want
think
almond
it
butter?
through, but I can't think it through. It should be keeping its point, and I said I don't know
You
if
wanna
it's the
get
point,
vanilla
and I don't know
slushy?
if it's the timer. Okay, let's actually test that. We can test that by going to script and then we can just say
Dada, do you want to watch the TV downstairs?
print, and then you should be able to do like self. Have an ID or something.
No sausages. Okay, let's go. Okay, let go, let go, let go. Okay, go.
So do they all fire? Yeah, it's only ever firing on him. Interesting. Why does the timer not better for that one? Interesting. What do you think, boys? Why does the timer only fire for one? Does the on ready function only run and not run? That's a good question. Does ready function not run on duplicated nodes? Yeah. Duplicate, duplicate, my pen, duplicate, duplicate. Why isn't the timer unique? There's no option to make it unique in the editor. So there is this way of doing like funk, um, ready, and then fire dot timeout dot connect, and then we put in our function. Oh, that's not how you do it. Oh, I hate when it does that. Oh, see, always okay. Whatever. Okay, and then I believe let's see if we go into the manager and we disconnect. Oh, that's what I want. We go here. Disconnect. Just to have it. But let's see if this helps or not. Nope. Not happening. That makes no sense though. Because we're working, but let's test this. Print. I'm ready. And there you go. And oh, well, we're never gonna get that on that one. Probably just get rid of the negative. So it ran, but it's only firing that one function. Okay. Inspector. Does auto start not apply on the, let's see. Next question. Start. Get rid of that. So we know they run. So we know code in here should work. Okay. There we go. They throw on all these sorts of knives. Weird that it does it like that. But we got something going. That's a lot of knives. Oh, okay. Well, the only thing is we gotta make sure this duplication isn't so bad. Oh no. Okay. Oh, we did it. We did that part. Okay. Well, it's been an hour, and I appreciate you guys joining me and watching. I feel like I got to somewhere that's um, stopping point. At least we got that working. Now we need to figure out how to duplicate nodes more efficiently next, and I think we can pretty much get most of this all running. Everything else should be cake compared to the rest. All right, thank you so much. Have a good day.